Okay, so we're going to do a vertical alignment first, then horizontal, and this way we're going to check if our printhead is calibrated or not. It's important that you get your printhead calibrated because that way you're going to have the maximum of your print out. Okay, you don't want your printhead to be out of calibration because then you're not going to have good prints. So we're going to do a vertical calibration. So let me go to my computer and hit that so I can show you this. Okay. So you can see vertical calibration. As you can see, so the printhead, this one, it got 2 passes. So basically, half of these lines, it went through 2 times. So as you can see, it's no overlap between each one. So basically, this one over here is 1, and this one over here is the second one. So 1 and 2. Okay. Excuse me. So the lines are good because it's not overlapping between each one. And the white one, I don't know if you can see it, but I see the same. So basically, it's the same for them. They're not overlapping. So this one is okay. There's not too much change on this one that you can do. Now what we're going to do is check the other one. This one is vertical, so we're going to check horizontal to make sure that our printhead is completely aligned, so we can proceed with the other steps. Okay. So let's do a sample here really quick. So if you get these lines the correct way, like let's say that. So right now what you're seeing right here, they are connected. So this line is connected to the other one. So basically you got one and then the other one is connected right there, right? So basically that is what you're getting in this, just in case you don't see it. Now if you get something like this, first pass, and then you got the other one like that you can see here, it's not connecting, then you need to fix that until you get these results. So this one is good and this one is bad. Okay, so remember, getting this is good, getting this is bad. This means that the vertical alignment is not good. In this case, we're dealing with the color head. Okay, so it's the one that is on the back. So the color head, you need to then adjust it. Let me see if I can write here. I cannot write. Well, you need to adjust it to the left side. Okay. If, for example, you get another line and it's like this, okay. So, and it's vice versa, it's to the right side. So let me move the cam so you can see it. Right here. So this one is to the right side, then you need to adjust to the right side. Okay. So taking care of the vertical alignment is important. So the way you do it is just by loosening the screws of the printhead. Like I mentioned before. Right now you cannot see it because I got the I got the cloth over here, but this one, there's 4 screws. So one here, the other one is going to be right here, and then you got 2 more on the back. So you need to get the screw loose a little bit, and the platen, these plates over here, this part, I mentioned this before, if I'm not mistaken. This part, you're going to move it, okay? You're going to move it and adjust again and do the same test until you get the vertical alignment the correct way. Okay, so now we're going to do the other alignment, that is the horizontal alignment for the heads, and see how that looks. Okay, so over there you can see it prints some lines, so we're going to take a look at those lines over there. All good. So let me zoom in, and we're going to take care of a look at that. So let me move just a little bit to the front so I can see better the lines. Are we going to look which one is the best one? So at this point, is the best one the number 1? Let me see. So you can see here, you got here the 0 one. Okay. So that one looks for me that is the best one right now, to be honest. The 0 one, this one, that is the best one, no? Or am I wrong? So let's take a look. +1, you can see the dark is a little bit to the left side. Then the -1 also. So for me, 0 is the one right now that have the straight line. Since 0 is the one that have the completely a straight line, and the dark here it just a little bit over to the right side, then -2 is to the right side, you see it, and the same to the +1 and +2. You can see the dark part is more to the left side in this case. So this one, I see that 0 is the best one right now for me. So because 0 is the best one, then I don't need to do anything to the software. Okay, we're going to do the alignment of the 2 print heads. The printer is going to do his stuff over here. And we need to see which one is better. Okay, so as you saw, the printer print first the color or the black one, and you can set, and then on top of that just put the the white one. So we need to check on these ones which one is the better one. Okay, so let's take a look at these lines over here. So let me see, I don't want to check too much the cam. So right now we're looking at the color one. Let me get the marker. So we're looking first always at 0 to see if 0 is the best. Okay, the way I see it, 0, you can see right there on the top, the black is just a little bit to the right side. And also the one, this one looks like straight line for me. But for example, if you look at the number 3, the white line is all the way, is overlay to the left side. At the -3, the same, the white is to the right side. So you're looking for something that is straight. And I can say that either 1 or 0 is the best one. So I'm going to go with, let me move paper a little bit so I can see better. There we go. So which one for you is the best one right now? This one, the number 1, or 0? I think 0 is the best one right now. I can see the white coming to this side just a little bit right there. So if for you the 0 is 1, if 0 is the best one, you're going to leave it like that. If it's 1, you're going to put 1 on your software, okay? So I forgot, there's another one to do, guys. Sorry about that. So we're going to do a vertical alignment again, but this time it's got to be for both of the heads. So it's got to be for 2 heads, okay? So on the A tool, we click over there, and let's see how this print. Okay. All right, so we got over there our lines. So we're looking for the best one. So the software had by default 2. So 0 definitely is not good. Okay. Let me try to focus first. So 0 is not good, as you can see. As you can see the 0. You can see the dark line under, and then on top you can see the white one. Okay. So 1 the same, and then you got 2. I can see the 2 both line exactly in the same spot, and then you got 3 that you can see the white line just a little bit under that. So we're going to stay with 2, and the software had by itself by default 2, so we don't going to touch that either. So calibration for that one is done. So basically you do a vertical calibration first. Okay, this is a recap. You do a vertical calibration first for one head, or basically all of them, but different lines. Then you do horizontal by itself again, and then again you go to do vertical and horizontal, but using the 2 heads. So that's the way you do the calibration. So once you got your numbers, you can put it in the A tool software, and like I mentioned before, you don't forget to hit that save button so it can save your numbers and calibration on all that kind of stuff. Okay, so those one was the big alignments. Now there's another alignment called a small alignment that is important to do it, so you can set the correct everything about the correct calibration on the print heads. Okay, so let me click on the computer for that one, and we're going to wait the printer give me the lines. Okay, I got the 01, I got it there. Okay, you can see it. Excuse me. So the 01 is good. And then you got the +1, you can see 2 lines. You can see one line on top of the other one. You see it? And then you see -1. This line over here is it got a 1 on the bottom. So this means that 0 is a good one for small alignments.